Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 6 important things that you must note in life, or that you must know in life all the time. 1. Laziness kills ambition. 2. Anger kills wisdom. 3. Fear kills dreams. 4. Ego kills growth. 5. Jealousy kills peace. 6. Doubt kills confidence. However, you must also remember that 1. Ambition kills laziness. 2. Wisdom kills anger. 3. Dreams kills fear. 4. Growth kills ego. 5. Peace kills jealousy. The last but not the least, confidence kills doubt. I hope you enjoyed. Like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned to our channel. Thanks so much, and we shall see you in our next video. Bye.